Neurapling. So let me break down my answer clearly by discussing the potential benefits, the possibly rich, the ethical concerns, and finally my own personal decisions. Rich and concern. However, this fear in the expressive potential, they are also very serious risks. Medical risks. Implanting electrons requires brain surgery, meaning is inexpressive. There is a risk or infection, bleeding, or long-term tissue damage. Implant may decrease over time, causing in the need for replacement of or follow-up surgeries. The long-term effects on your brain are not fully understood. Security risks. This is something people often overlook, but is extremely important. If your brain signal are being recorded or transmitted, could this data be hackers? Could be someone access your nuclear activity or malicious actors control or interface with the device? These questions highlights why the technology must be secure extremely well. And this is privacy risk. This may be a biggest concern. Brain data in the boss personal data will have in implants one day become mainstream o puhon the brain data individual the company the system the processes it if the data is measures is it will reveal things we did not intend to share such as emotion reference or patterns of thought the system the process it if the data is missions it will reveal things we did not intend to share such as emotions reference or patterns of thoughts that is massive privacy issue. Ethical and social concern. There are also larger ethical issues to consider. Inequality. What if only rich people can afford brain enhancement? This would create a society divided into enhanced and not enhanced individuals. Autonomy. It individes is much mark fractions or in inferences and how someone behaves who is responsible. The person, the technology, or the company. Human identity. Some argue the brain implants blur the line between human and machine. This raises question about how much we should modify ourselves for convenience. My personal answers now to answer the question directly. Will I personally allow electrons to be implanted in my brains just to be enhance everyday life and control objects with thoughts? My answer is no. It's not at the time and there are my reasons. Their technology is still not too new are not fully proven. The long-term effect on the brain are I know. The medical risks as well. The convenience. I don't want to be undergo brain surgery. Simple. The control household device more easily. Privacy and security risks are too serious. I'm not compatible with the possibility of someone else accessing, storing, and analyzing my brain activity. Ethical implications are still unclear. Society needs to establish strong rules and protections before brain implants can be considered safe or fail. However, you support the technology for medical purpose. For example, if a personal parasite, blind, or unable to communicate, this those case in the benefits clearly unwell in the risk. But for enhancing convenience for everyday interactions, for now, I will wait for technology to evolve, mature, and proven safe and secure and ethically managed. In conclusions, in conclusions, brain implants have amazing potential to change the world, especially in medicine. They will help millions of people regain abilities. They loss of open new doors in human computer interaction. But as of today, I will not personally allow a brain implant purely for enhancement. The risks, medical ethical security, and privacy rate are simply too high and too uncreated. Maybe in the future, once of technology becomes safety and more legally may answer who kings, but of now my decision is to remain cautious. Like, thank you for listening. If you want, can also thank you and goodbye.